You don't know.
And although we all make mistakes, we can be redeemed. So I asked myself, what is the content of Hoover's character?
Well, anytime you do a extensive amount of time, it can have two effects. It can harden you, or it can make you think. And I thought, what are the thoughts like on a day-to-day basis in incarceration? Well, basically, you think about preparing yourself for the future and preparing yourself for one day when you will return to the streets. If you're prepared, then I'm prepared. I've got employment. I want to do something for the community. I see these kids coming in here every day with 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Their life is wasted just like I wasted mine. Because ideologies, street gangs, one teenager don't like the other teenager because the way he wears his hair. Because his ideology is different from his. A disciple don't like a vice lord. We all black people. Well, anytime you do a extensive amount of time, it can have two effects. It can harden you, or it can make you think. And I thought, well, anytime you do a extensive amount of time, it can have two effects. It can harden you, or it can make you think. And I thought, well, anytime you do a extensive amount of time, it can have two effects. It can harden you, or it can make you think. And I thought.
He's eligible for release today under the First Step and Fair Sentencing Acts that rendered the drug laws he was sentenced to life for as racist and unconstitutional. The average person ages out of criminal activity while incarcerated when they turn 60. Larry is 70. He's completed thousands of hours of educational courses that show his rehabilitation. He's been in isolation for 25 years of 6 life sentences for a non-violent drug offense. He has clean conduct while in federal prison. He's maintained all of his good time credit in a prison that scrutinizes his every move. He's suffering from several chronic medical conditions. 6 out of the 9 people he was indicted with have been released by the First Step Act.
You don't know.